What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the Demon House. Today we're reviewing another product. We are reviewing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre's Leatherface, made by Threezero. It is a 1/6 scale collectible. You can see right here. And as you can tell, I have not unwrapped this box or anything. This will be my first reaction to seeing it, just like you guys. So we are going to take it out of the packaging and go from there. The box is pretty standard. There's no pictures or anything like that on it. I bought this from Sideshow Collectibles. This cost me $175. That was with a $15 discount. He is basically $191 with tax or with shipping and everything. So let's try to get him out the box here. Like I said, this is my I haven't messed with him. So, and those of you know that I'm a card collector, so it's very important to me that I try to keep this box. Well, what's the point of folding that down? I don't get it. But anyway, let's go from a different angle. Sorry guys. Not exactly easy with the camera in your hand. I've got to get another tripod. So I'm going to set the camera down for just a second, guys. I will try to let you still watch the boxing. I don't know. Well, probably not. So, give me just a second. Oh, there's a piece of tape gone. Another piece. And we're almost in, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Now you can see the box. See here they got the old Leatherface. Let the camera focus in. Sorry, it keeps focusing in and out. We finally got a good camera to use. So let's open her up. Like I said, I want to do this and not damage the box in the least bit because I'm big on keeping my cards the way they are. Normally, I would leave him in here, but when you pay this much money for something, you kind of want to, display it. Bear with me. Alright, so we got him out of the box. There's nothing else in it. Without further ado, here he is. Now, I pre-ordered stuff from Sideshow, but I've never went through with it. So this is my first thing from Sideshow. I will say they got it to me rather quickly. So let's start with the accessories. Alright, here is his chainsaw. The detail on it is pretty cool. Blade's pretty straight. Does this move, I wonder? It does not. Now, first notion with picking this up, it does honestly feel kind of flimsy. I'm not saying it is, but it does feel like something would break really easy on it. So there's that. And here is his mallet. A little bit of blood splatter on it. Now, a big thing with me is it straight? Looks pretty straight. Now you get some of this stuff in the mail, figure-wise, and the weapons or whatever will be crooked. I don't like that. And we have a hook. That is actually, it's actually made of real metal. Now that's kind of cool. Real metal hook. several different grips. or several different hands. Now let's look at Leatherface himself. Let me set this to the side. So here is Leatherface himself. Let's take his booties off and the stuff that's blocking his hands. So we really want to see it. So sorry about setting the camera down. I will get a tripod. Here he is from head to toe. Stop looking at his junk. You can tell the detail on his mask is actually pretty cool. Let's do a backside of him. Again, stop looking at his butt. The detail on this guy is actually pretty cool. Now, he feels like he has like stuffing or something right there in his belly region. He probably does. But this guy is actually pretty cool looking. He is going into my horror collection. Yeah, I got a lot of boxes from a lot of stuff. So we can get that to focus in. Now, as far as what else he has, alright, so he does actually have an apron to go with him. Let's see if we can get that out. I wish I had a way I could do this and not have to set the camera down, but yeah. See detail in his arms and hands. Like I said, I am impressed with him. So yeah. And with that being said, I'm going to set this down for just a second, and I am going to get his apron out so we can take a look at that. Like I said, for anybody who's interested in purchasing this guy, you will find him on SideshowToys.com. Just type in Sideshow and it comes right up. So to put this apron on, it's pretty simple. Here's the apron it comes with. So I guess we just put it over his head and hope we don't knock him down. I'm pulling his hair. I don't want to pull his hair. Sorry. Sorry, leather. It's nothing personal. So we do that, and then it's got straps on the back, I guess, for his arms. So let me do that. I might set the camera down though. Lift his arms up. Okay, we tie it. Just tie it around his back like a normal apron. I'm pretty sure Leatherface don't tie a bow, but we're going to tie a bow. Alright, so here is Leather with his apron. So, like I said, I am quite pleased with him. I mean, I hate, spending that kind of money on something. But, when it comes to these guys, you pay for the detail that goes into them. And I am quite impressed with the detail in him. Like I said, we do got other grips. We do got fists for him to clinch with. For like his chainsaw and his hook and so on. bottom piece out of the way so I can actually do this. You can see here, gripping hands, and another one. So I will probably equip some still shots of this guy. I'm probably going to take some pictures of him or something with his, holding his weapons. Other than that, that is his weapons. He comes with his chainsaw, his mallet, and a hook to hang his victims up and saw them into pieces. Other than that, this is Leatherface. And as always, guys, I appreciate you viewing, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Please comment, share, like the video. It is much appreciated and goes a long way. Thanks, guys. Alright, guys, this is part 2 of this now that I've got old Leatherface kind of situated here. This is him with his chainsaw and his additional accessories, the metal hook and his mallet. So I wanted to bring this to you guys for a moment before we end the video. His Leatherface is pretty awesome. And like I was saying about the weapons being kind of flimsy, heed my warning, because it is. When we're putting it in his hands right here, this part detached. So I'm going to have to fix that. But other than that, I think he looks pretty badass. Old Bubba would be happy. But once again, guys, I appreciate you viewing. And if you have any questions, just post them down below.